Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another Airguns, Raiders, and Hip Shot video. Today, guys, we continue the Turkish Airguns series. So, guys, as you can see, I have my Hatsan Flash Pup QE sitting on two Kral Arms boxes. So guys, get yourself a cup of coffee. Coffee's hot. Myself and Hip Shot are ready. So get your favorite beverage, whatever that might be, and meet us both on the other side. Okay guys, so what you see is a continuance of my series on Turkish Airguns, guys. This is more or less a reveal video. This is not necessarily an unboxing video, even though we're going to take a peek in these boxes, and we're going to do the video on these on the Turkish Airguns that I've been talking about. So this is just a reveal. So now we know, guys, we have Hatsan and we have Kral, and so we have two Hatsan Flash Pups QEs, and we have two of whatever's in these two boxes. So let's get to them. Okay guys, so in the first box, guys, we have the Kral Puncher Breaker Marine, guys, in the black synthetic stock. So this is a Turkish Airgun, guys, produced by Air Venturi. So never out of the box, guys, never been shot. They've just been sitting here. Didn't reveal them, but I opened them up when I first got them for Christmas, and they've been sitting in my office ever since. So that's the first one. Okay guys, so this is the second one. So what you see, guys, in this box is the Kral Puncher Breaker in the walnut stock, guys. Kral Puncher Breaker in the walnut stock. So never been shot, guys, never been taken out of the gun box, guys. Just I've been opening them up so I could take a look at them for Christmas. Had them in my office all this time in the box, waiting to be used, but I hadn't gotten to them. So, you know, sometimes when you collect air guns, that's what you do. You stick them in the office and you let them pile up, and then you have to go and open them sooner or later. So this was 2022 Christmas raid. So there you go. So now, guys, we're gonna cut from this video, guys, and what we'll do is we'll present the rest of the video. I look forward to presenting to you with the story behind these two air guns, along with this one. They were all three purchased at the same time. So with that, guys, thank you for watching. You know what time it is. With that, myself and Hip Shot, we are out.